Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn about Unit 2 Emergence of New Kingdoms in North India. Introduction. There are plenty of stories that speak of the valor and chivalry of Rajputs. Rajput states form a collective entity that was called a Rajputana. Sittur was prominent and had becoming the rallying point for all Rajput clans. It was small compared to Malwa and Gujarat. Next, we are going to learn about origin of the Rajputs. The word Rajput is derived from the Sanskrit word Rajputara, which means scion of the royal blood. After the death of Harsha in AD 647, various Rajput clans established kingdoms in different parts of northern and central India. Rajputs trace their pedigree far back into the past. Their three principal houses are the Surya Vanshi, or the rays of the sun. Rays of the sun means Surya Inam. The Chandra Vanshi on the rays of the moon. Three principal houses are the Surya Varshini, or the rays of the sun, Surya Inam, the Chandra Varshini, or the rays of the moon, Sandira Inam, and the Agnikula, or the rays of fire god. Rays of fire god means Agni Kadavul. Among those who claimed descent from solar and lunar lines, Sandalas of Bandalkhand were prominent. Thomas were ruling in the Haryana region. தோமர் இனத்தவர்கள் ஹரியானா என்ற பகுதியை ஆண்டு வந்தனர். But they were overthrown by the Chaugans in the 12th century. 36 royal Rajput clans. Clans means inam. Kulam were listed by the Oriental scholar James Todd in AD 1829. Among them, four claimed a special status: the Pradigaras, the Chaugans, the Chalukyas. Different from the Deccan Chalukyas, known as the Cholangis and the Paramaras of powers, all the four clans were the Agnikula origin. Clans means Kulam. Next, we are going to learn about Pradigaras. The Pradigaras are Gurjara Pradigaras, one of the four prominent clans of the Rajput. இந்த பிரதிகாரர்கள் என்பவர்களும் ராஜ்புட் மன்னர்கள் வழி வந்தவர்களே. Ruled from Gurjatra in Jodhpur in the 6th century AD. Harichandra laid the foundation of the Gurjara dynasty. Nagaputta first was the first and prominent ruler of Pradigaras. In the 8th century, he ruled over Proch and Jodhpur and extended his dominion up to Gwalior. He repels the invasion of the Arabs of Sindh. Invasion means padayedthal. Arabs of Sindh from the east and checked their expansion. Expansion means Virivakam. He was succeeded by Vastaraja, who desired to dominate the whole of North India. His attempt to control over Kannauj brought him into conflict with the Bala ruler Dharmabala. அந்த கனோஜ் என்கிற பகுதி ஒரு பிரிவினையை கொண்டு வந்தது தர்மபாலா என்ற மன்னரிடமிருந்து. Vastaraja's successors Nagaputta II and Rambhadra did not do anything impressively. Mihiri Bhoja or Bhoja, son of Rambhadra, within a few years of his succession, succeeded in consolidating the power of the Pradigaras. As a strong ruler, Bhoja was able to maintain peace in his kingdom. போஜ மன்னர் தன்னுடைய ஆட்சியில் அமைதியை விரும்பினார். The Arab man was firmly tackled by him. After Bhoja, the Pratigara Empire continued its full glory for nearly a century. Having successfully resisted the Arabs, the Pratigaras turned their attention towards the east, and by the end of millennium, they ruled over a large part of Rajasthan and Malwa. பிரதிகாரர்களுடைய கவனம் ராஜஸ்தான் மால்வா என்கிற பகுதிகளின் மேல் திரும்பியதால் அவர்கள் அதிக ஆண்டுகள் அங்கே ஆட்சி செய்ய முடிந்தது. They also held Kannauj for some time. The Rajput fought each other endlessly in the 11th and 12th centuries. Taking advantage of these internecine quarrels, many local kings succeeded in making themselves independent. So we are going to learn about Palas. Dharmabala, AD 1772 810. Gopala, who founded the Bala dynasty, did not have a royal antecedents. Royal antecedents means அரச பரம்பரையை சேர்ந்தவர்கள் அல்ல. He was elected by the people for his superior capabilities. அவர்கள் உயர்ந்த திறனுடையவர்கள். During his reign means ஆட்சி காலம், from 750 to 770, Gopala laid the foundations for the future greatness of this dynasty in Bengal. Dharmabala, his son, made the Bala kingdom a powerful force in North Indian politics. இவருடைய ஆட்சி காலம் ஒரு திறமை வாய்ந்த ஆட்சி காலமாக வட இந்தியாவின் அரசியலில் விளங்கியது. He led a successful campaign against Kannauj. He was a great patron of Buddhism. He founded Vikramashila Monastery, which became a great center of Buddhist learning. அது புத்த படிப்பிற்கு ஒரு சிறந்த ஸ்தலமாக விளங்குகிறது. Dharmabala was succeeded by his son Devabala, who extended Bala control eastwards into Kamarupa. It was in Assam. Devabala was also a great patron of Buddhism. He gifted 5 villages to Buddhists. He also constructed many temples along with monasteries. Monasteries means madalayangal in Magadha. According to the historian R.C. Majumdar, the reigns of Dharmabala and Devabala constitute the most brilliant chapter in the history of Bengal.